Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this project that it's a NEMA 23 motors. In the beginning of the channel I created the NEMA 17 motors. Now I have the sequence video. If you want to download the drawings, it's here in the first link of the description. Download, it's included in my book. If you like this channel, click here to subscribe to help the project, and let's start. Create a new design, create a new component here, a square by the center here with 56.5 millimeters, the same. Finish the sketch. Extrude with minus 12 millimeters. Here on the top face, rectangle by the center. Select the line type as a construction, and that is 47.1, the same 47.1 millimeters. Create here and create here 4 points. Finish the sketch. Here on the hole tool, select all that points. The distance is all. The diameter is 5 millimeters. Click OK. Here on the bottom face, click another sketch. P for project. And click OK. Another rectangle by the center. On that time here, the same for the other parts. Select the center of the circle and click on the border. Finish the sketch. Select the extrude tool. Select all the profiles that we need and minus 7 millimeters. Apply here some fillets on that edge, here and here. This is 5 millimeters. Another fillet. This is 2 millimeters. Here and here, 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 and here. 2 millimeters. And here on the face, we can create another with 7 millimeters and other circle with 38 millimeters. Finish the sketch. E for extrude. Remove all the materials. Unhide this sketch. Select this 1.6 millimeters. Hide the sketch. Now we have the first component concluded. Return here to the main project. Create another component. Okay. Click here on the bottom face of the first component. E for project. Select that profile. Click OK. E for extrude. Circle. It will be 30 millimeters. Return to the main project. Create another component and repeat the process. Click here on the bottom face. E for project. Select that profile. E for extrude and 12 millimeters. Apply here a fillet of 1 millimeter and return to the main project. Now we can hide all these components, create a new one that will be the axis, finish the sketch, select here a plane. This circle will be 6.35 millimeters and extrude with 21 millimeters. Another sketch here on the top face. P for project, select the edge, click OK. We need two lines here and another line here inside the circle vertically. Create here a tangent and apply a distance of 5.85 millimeters. Finish the sketch. E for extrude. Remove minus 15 millimeters of material. Now we have our axis. Unhide all the components and return to the main project. The first component can be grounded. You can click on Shift N to apply some random colors. If you want to change, just click with the right button and cycle the color here. And start to apply some joints. This first joint needs to be revolute. Hold the Ctrl, click on that bottom face. The same for that component. Hold the Ctrl and click OK. Okay. We can move this other component. J for joint. Hold the Ctrl, click on the face and the midpoint. Change that to rigid. In position and finish. The same for this last component. Hold the Ctrl and click OK. And now you can apply some colors. In this case, can be aluminum on that two parts here. And another color with the mid part and the axis. Finish. Shift N to return to the color that we applied. And that's the project. You can export that component STP and export to use in your projects of CNC machines. I hope you like this project. Thank you so much. Subscribe here for the channel. See you in the next video.